Introduce this new line of skis, the Cochise. This thing just won Ski of the Year. Check them out.
Ski from Blizzard this year. Total new foot core technology.
98 underfoot. It's got a lot of early rise to it. It really falls in that category of true all mountain ski where it can handle the powder, the crud, the groomers, the bumps, all that stuff equally well. I would give it 5 out of 5.
I like the ski. You know, if you're a guy that hits the front side country, maybe you want to do a little bit of AT, some skinning, this is definitely a good ski for that.